Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday here in South Africa, public holiday, and I must say I'm sorry for not posting a video earlier in the week, but yesterday was actually my birthday, so I spent the day taking it easy after a nice couples massage that was bought for me by my wife. Spent the day just chilling on the couch, my favorite place to be. So the past few days also I've been doing I've done two bowl pours. I haven't posted them yet because they're going to be presents for some members of my family. But what actually happened is that I've got quite a lot of leftover paint here from those pours. So what I'm going to be doing today is using that paint in a open cup pour. And how I'm going to be doing today is an open cup pour, and the leftover paint I'll be doing a tree ring pour in the center. Not really sure how it's going to work out, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. The base color I've got today is a nice navy blue, and then the other colors I've got are different shades of blue with a little bit of white in there. So it's going to be interesting to see how this all works out. So let's get going with getting the paint down. I'm going to put a decent amount in the middle, like that. And then I'm going to, let me put a little bit more. I'm going to put the remainder of that around the outside. Once I've done the pour, let me just flame for bubbles. Get the bubbles out of there. Get my ring into the middle. There we go, and then I'm going to put a little bit more of this around the outside. There we go. Right guys, I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but let's see what happens. Right, there we go. For some reason there were quite a lot of lumps in that middle section there. Right, there we go. There we go. Just hoping this doesn't turn out with just too much blue all over the place, but what can you do? Leftover paint, you've just got to use what you have. Might actually try something here. Got an old playing card here, so I'm just going to see if I can get this. Yeah, I've got a few cells coming through there. I'm just going to give it a tilt now and see what happens. Right guys, there we go. Let's get this tilt underway. Okay guys, there we go. I'm just going to pick out the little bits. Damn. Now this is the reason why you should wear an apron. Don't know if you can see it here on my pants. Stupidly got it on my hands and now I put it onto my pants. So that's the end of those. I'm just going to go give it a quick clean. Right, sorry about that guys. As you know, with acrylic paint, once it gets onto clothes, it's very difficult to get off, and for some reason I've got it all over my shorts. Not that they were in perfect condition anyway, they'd already had a little bit of paint in them, but now they have become my dedicated painting shorts. So what can you do? Guys, I hope you're having a good festive season. The government here in South Africa has closed a number of the beaches, particularly the one that we are going to for holiday, so we're not really sure how that's going to work out, but I hope you're all well. I hope you're enjoying your festive season, staying safe from the coronavirus, staying safe from drinking and driving, and enjoying spending a lot of time with the family. Yeah guys, so before you go, why don't you hit that like and subscribe button as always. I would really appreciate it if you did that. if you're watching my videos and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button so you can be the first person to see the new videos as they come out. That's it for today, guys. I'll probably be back a bit later in the week with another pour. I'm actually running out of canvases at the moment and I haven't ordered a new one, so I've got 2 to go, so I might do 2 more pours before Christmas and then take a well-earned break. I've done almost 50 videos now over the last 3 months, so I hope you guys have all been enjoying them, because I've certainly enjoyed doing them for you. That's it, guys. I'm going to cut to the close-up. Keep well, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.